Hi y'all! I have a Christmas tutorial for you today. I'm going to teach you how to wrap Christmas presents. So this was inspired because two people, I'm not kidding, two people on my timeline posted today about their injuries from wrapping Christmas presents. And you guys, you know I'm a nurse and I am concerned about your safety, okay? So I want to do a tutorial and show you how to safely wrap your Christmas presents, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your wrapping paper and you're going to throw it away. It's dangerous, y'all. It's dangerous. I just helped thousands of people right there with that first step, okay? Also, scissors, I mean, come on. They can poke your eye out. Duh. Our mamas have been telling us that since we were babies, okay? So get rid of the scissors. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take yourself up to Walmart or the Dollar General store and you're going to buy a bunch of bags. Come on now. You're going to buy bags. I mean, go get you some Buc-ee's bags. Seriously? Seriously? And I'm going to show you how long it takes to wrap a Christmas present. The Liz way. You take your gift that you're giving somebody. I'm almost done. And this is where I get a little bit fancy. This is like an advanced level. So some of you may not be ready for this and that's okay. But this is what I do. Okay, you get an old-fashioned stapler and you staple it closed so that way your children can't see what's inside and I'm done. I'm done and I have no injuries, no paper cuts. No scissors. This was not impaled in me. No, I am done wrapping that gift. It took me it took a little longer because I was doing this video, but it took me 20 seconds. So, I know this is fancy. I know it's fancy. So, you could use a paper sack. Come on now. That is beautiful. It's looks like burlap. Joanna Gaines, come on. I probably should trademark this as a Christmas wrapping device. If you have a big present, you just wrap yourself, you put your big present in your trash bag and you put a pretty ribbon around the top. Your kids don't care. They rip that crap apart in 5.3 seconds. They're not like, oh mama, I am so glad you spent so much time wrapping this present. They're like, no. Ooh, have you seen the boxes? That looks like I spent a week wrapping this. No, I spent 5 minutes at the Dollar General store and I paid $2.50. And guess what? I can reuse it. You're welcome. So, in summary, save yourself the threat of injury and save yourself the time. Use some bags. Use some bags, y'all. I love you, and Merry Christmas.